Well, paper clay is such a versatile clay that we are going to learn all about how to add it to a surface and create dimensional art. We're going to learn how to paint that. We're going to learn how to finish it so that it's protected and durable. And we're going to learn how some maybe framing techniques at the end. Yeah, it's just mostly the versatility of this amazing clay, because it is just so versatile. You can do so many things with it, and I've brought a lot of samples that we can show everybody.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.